This is Force 13 with the latest on the local weather scene, including the ongoing developing tropical weather scene. Wind warning, strong wind warning for the Peninsula, Cooktown, Cairns coast here in Queensland. Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast, New South Wales. And further south, strong wind warning, East Gippsland coast, gale warning for the southeast, southwest coast, strong wind warning for Storm Bay, Channel lower east, central west coast, small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes and Southwest Lakes down there in Tasmania. Strong wind warning, Adelaide Metropolitan Waters, Upper West Coast, Spencer Gulf, Gulf St Vincent and Lower West Coast has been cancelled. Now, tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and as I've said in a previous update, I have not seen this sort of environment over the many years that I've been following the severe weather scene. However, another website is now on board, and this is the life of Invest 95p. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre is now on board. They have Invest 94.95 up to medium chances for development. Area convection 95, previously located near 13.4 degrees south, 146.8 degrees east, is now located near 12 south, 141.1 east. It's about 184 nautical miles southwest of Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery and a 85 GHz microwave image depicts a slowly consolidating low-level circulation. With some deep convection displaced to the south, an ASCAT pass revealed an organising low-level circulation with stronger winds displaced from the centre. However, the environment is marginally favourable for development with moderate to high 20 to 30 knot vertical wind shear. Fair poleward outflow, warm sea surface temperatures around 28 to 30 Celsius. Global models are in relatively good agreement with the system continuing to develop within 48 hours. Global models show generally stationary or slight looping motion in the near term over the York Peninsula of Australia. As the second circulation potentially approaches from the west, maximum sustained surface winds estimated 22 to 27 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around 1002 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours is upgraded to a medium. Now here's a look at the NOAA floaters, and for 90p, apology for that, 94p has persisted near 10 south, 164 degrees east, about 238 nautical miles east of Honiara, Solomon Islands. And shortly we'll have a look at cyclone phase tracks. A 91 GHz image depicts a ragged, elongated, low-level circulation centre, but is becoming more defined with formative upper-level banding And the environment overall is favourable for development with low vertical wind shear, 5 to 10 knots, good radial outflow, warm sea surface temperatures 26-28 Celsius. Global models are in agreement about the system developing within 36 to 60 hours and tracking eastward. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 20 to 25 knots. Sea level pressure estimated to be around 1001 millibars. The NCEP GFS model. Joint Typhoon Warning Center has actually picked up on what the Bureau has had to say about a second low pressure system up there in the Arafura Sea or even in the Gulf of Carpentaria. The Pivotal Weather website, once again with the GFS model, the picture has changed to 24 hours ago. The rainfall scale is at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a look at the rainbow imagery, and I had an idea something was going on, and Invest 96S is near Sabah Island, which is to the west of the weakening 94S and 93S. And we have a look at total precipitable water, the scale in millimeters and inches, right hand side of the screen, and look at all of that pinkish area. Force 13 will continue to bring the latest information on the developing weather scene. Looks like the Bureau is keeping an eye on a fourth low. And here's tropical tidbits, a couple of tracks on 95p. So Joint Typhoon Warning Center has 94 and 95p at medium, and I think the Bureau will update their position by 14:30 hours Eastern Standard Time today. And finally, a quick look at some modelling. This is the Canadian 850 millibar geopotential height and cyclonic vorticity, and the GFS.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.